What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to cover the Alcx token, or very quickly Alchemix. So it's been a really long while since I did an analysis on Alchemix, and you wouldn't believe it, but it's actually one of the most viewed videos on this channel. I covered it when it just got listed on Coinbase, which it's quite a while ago. I'm not even sure exactly when. I think it was around this time. But nevertheless, I mean, it's bullish again today, and it's actually quite trending on social media as well. I think the platform itself is very solid. I mean, if you check it out, it's very professional. It's not that broad, but it does what it needs to do. And the main problem with Alchemix that I had since my first analysis was that there's quite a high inflation rate, or at least a coin issuance rate. And now we're up to 80% of the total supply. So that inflation rate is being limited to 21% now. So we might actually get to a point where inflation doesn't really play a part anymore in your decision whether you want to invest in Alchemix or not. One of the other things that does play a role in deciding that is the trend Alchemix has had, and so obviously that's due to multiple reasons. The market is more bearish is one of them, the inflation rate is one of them, but also that the initial hype when it got listed on Coinbase is decreasing. So as you can see, Alchemix has been dropping quite a bit, but now we are around some very important levels, $75, $100, and we just broke through $100, but I think what's going to happen really depends on what's going to happen now at that level. So as you can see, we've broken into that full area again. So the full area is between $100 and $90. And it would be great if we could actually break above that, because if we can actually break above $100, then I think that this $75 level is going to be the bottom, or at least the local bottom, for quite some time. Because if we can actually manage to get above $100, we'll probably find resistance at 107, 110, but still that would be enough of a confirmation for me to say that we could also go up to 120 and 130 if the market at least remains stable. So it would be great if Bitcoin goes up to like 42, 43,000 for this scenario, but if it remains stable, I still think we can do this if we can actually break $100. And breaking $100 obviously is very dependent on what the market does as well, and the fundamentals. But I think we got like a 30-35 chance of doing this. And the other scenario, frankly, is that we'll just drop down again towards $75. And I think $75 is quite strong. It's a minor psychological key level. It did give some quite strong support right here, up to 3 times. So then it's just waiting. I do think we will hold $75 for at least one more time. But after finding support there and going up to $100, I do really feel like we need to break $100 then. So the second time we can actually do that, because if we don't, we might actually drop lower than $75. So yeah, that's basically my full analysis on Alchemix, or the Alcx token. If you do have any questions about the analysis or anything I said within the video, please let me know down in the comments. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.